Hello. So you're welcome to this session of my video. I think this is quite a different one because I'm introducing a new face here. All my videos have always been only me, except I think one that I had Miss Amma mention. But today, I'm quite fortunate to have with me here Brother Moses, who is a friend, but then he's a Ugandan. And so we want to discuss about our educational systems, Ghana's educational system and Uganda's educational system. We just want to chit chat and then compare things to see what we are doing commonly or what we are doing same, and also where we are doing things differently to see how our educational systems are. Yes, so you are welcome, Moses.
Thank you very much for this privilege to have me on set to share about our educational systems. It's a great privilege to discuss how we Africans go about with our education system.
Yes, I'm also glad to have you here. Yes, so we are not going to waste much time. We will just go straight to the point. Yes, I would like to know how your schooling structure is. For example, in Ghana, we have the primary level. After the primary, even at the primary level, we have basic, we have lower primary, upper primary. After upper primary, we have junior high school. Then you now graduate to the senior high school, which used to be secondary, but then later was changed to senior high school. From then you go to the university. How is it like in Uganda?
Well, the structures of education in Africa, I think, quite generally cuts across and resemble in a few ways or the other. Like for us in Uganda,
Yes.
we have the kindergarten,
Okay.
which is for ages between 2 to 4 or
Yes.
5. And then we have the primary section, which is a 7 years study with lower primary and upper primary. Lower primary falling between primary 1 to primary 4, and then upper primary from primary 5 to primary 7.
Primary 5 to 7, upper
Yes,
primary. I
yes.
see.
So from primary, you get to sit a national examination that will take you to the senior, the secondary level. In the secondary level also, we have the lower secondary and then the upper secondary, which we call the advanced.
The lower secondary and the upper secondary.
Yes, sure.
The upper secondary is the advanced.
It's advanced. So in the lower secondary, we study for 4 years, and then you are accredited with a certificate, a national certificate for lower secondary. And then when you do the 2 years after the lower secondary and upper secondary, you are accredited with advanced certificate for completing secondary school. At this level, one has the opportunity to either join a tertiary institution,
Okay.
or you can go to the university.
Okay. There is something I have to understand. I think the advanced level is the same as what we term A level, A level. Because
Yes.
Ghana used to have the same system, O level and A level. But then
Exactly.
the system was scrapped after, I think, in the 90s. I'm not very quite sure with the dates. And then was replaced with this JHS and SHS and then the university. Now, you made a point. After the upper secondary, right? That is where you get the chance to choose whether to go to the university
Yes.
or do what?
Or you go to any other tertiary institution.
Any other tertiary institution, okay?
For either diploma course or
Maybe other certificate
or
courses.
other certificate courses.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
I see. For Ghana, in particular, at the secondary level, when you complete the secondary level, we have technical universities. They used to be called polytechnics, which are mainly for technicals. You get it, technical vocational staff. We also have the teacher training colleges, the nursing colleges, then the universities. You get it. Now, after secondary school, depending on the course you did, then you choose where you want to be, whether you want to go to the university, the college of education to be trained as a teacher, or nursing training college, or the university. Yes, I think there is quite some similarity, just the names and also the years of studies. Now, for us, we have, when we put the kindergarten aside, you come to the lower primary. The lower primary start from class 1 to class 6. Sorry, class 1 to class 3. That is lower primary. You do only 3 years. Then also upper primary, you do 3 years. Class 4 to class 6. I heard you mention 7 years somewhere. Could you clarify? Is it the same?
Well, the primary, I did say the primary is it's a 7-year study
7 years.
compared to the 6 years in Ghana.
In Ghana, yes.
Yes. But this 7 years is divided actually into clearly the first 4 years being the lower primary,
Okay.
and then from primary 5 to primary 7 being the upper primary.
I see.
Yes, it's quite relative to
Sure. There's some slight
the education
differences.
setting. Yeah.
Now let's talk